Okay, let's see how to do labels. So first, you want to make sure that your information is in an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you have labels for each one of these columns. And you're going to need those in just a second. So save that Excel spreadsheet. Now head over to that template. And we're just going to fill these in. So you can type a little bit and we'll add the fields as well. So for example, now let's add those form fields. Go to mailings, and the first thing we're going to do is start mail merge. And we're going to do a little trick here. We're going to click labels, and then don't choose a label because actually this document will work. And then we're going to click cancel. So once again, this is just a little trick. You have to do start mail merge, labels, and then when it asks for the label type, just click cancel. And when you do that, that's going to make this update labels field available, and we're going to need that in just a second. Okay, select recipients. We're going to use an existing list, and we're going to go find that spreadsheet. All this should be fine because I'm sure you have it on sheet 1. Click OK. Okay, so this is a report 4. Now let's add their name in, and then a space, and then you can add your text styling just directly to this. So for example, maybe I want that bold, maybe I want the whole thing to be bigger. Go back to mailings. Etc. And then you want to make sure that you get these styled the way you want from the beginning. Get it all done on this first label. So if you wanted something bold or a different color or a different size, you can do that. If I wanted this centered in the middle of this label, you right click. Now don't right click over here because well, it did work this time, but you're going to choose that cell alignment. I usually have a better luck right clicking way away from the text, but regardless it worked. So I chose cell alignment and I put it right in the middle of that cell, and you can change all this. Okay. So now let me go back over to mailings. Let me see what that looks like. Okay, so that's pulling their name. That's all looking good. Now I want to do different labels for each person. So here's the key. The magic is this update labels. And remember, the way we had that update labels show up is we did start mail merge and we chose labels, and then we just hit cancel and it tricked it. And so now here's the update labels. So I'll click that. And that replaced everything in all of those cells. Now I can tell that each one of these is not centered like this one, so I'll just change those real quick. Which this is not necessary, but it's just depends on how you want it to look. Okay, and now you can see I still have preview results here, and it's pulling the different people with their different scores, and you just hit finish and mail merge, and you probably want to do edit individual documents, and that will make a new page for everyone. Then you'll have that, and then you can print it if you want. If you do print, it's just gonna print them all, and you won't have those documents for to save. So just do edit individual documents. It's going to open them all up, merge all the fields, and then you get to save it. Okay, hope that helps.